Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to explore how Chat GPT can help troubleshoot a common Kubernetes issue. After deploying a pod in a Kubernetes cluster, sometimes you might have noticed that it becomes stuck in a pending state. We turn to Chat GPT to understand the reasons why this might happen. Chat GPT provided a list of 13 possible causes. In this video, we are only going to talk about one of these problems, but we've automated a list of more than 200 such checks which you can access in the link given in this video's description. For example, our tool can check all 13 possible reasons and pinpoint that the problem is happening due to a taint so that you can straight away move towards remediation. ChatGPT suggested that one of the reasons why a pod might not schedule was taints and tolerations. We asked it to elaborate what this meant. ChatGPT explained that a taint is like a keep out sign on a node. It repels pods unless they have a matching toleration. This ensures specific nodes only run specific pods. With this knowledge, we asked ChatGPT to guide us on how to troubleshoot an unscheduled pod. ChatGPT walked us through the steps, checking the pod status, describing the pod to find events, and then identifying any taints on the node. Once it was verified that a taint was the reason why the pod was unscheduled, ChatGPT offered two solutions: either remove the taint or add a toleration to the pod. They even showed us how to do either of these steps. So thanks to ChatGPT, we were able to resolve our Kubernetes issue. But this was just one of the many problems that are possible in a Kubernetes cluster. If you want to get an automated list of more than 200 such checks, click the link given in the video's description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such insights. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.